2, 1.
I, Garrosh, son of Grom, will show you what it means to be called Hellscream!
Der hvor altså.
Nej.
Vent lidt for. Falder over. Dammit.
Anger, hatred, fear. They are weapons of war. The tools of a war chief. Yes, I can see it now. I can see the future of this world. A world ruled by the Horde. My Horde.
Nice.
Stack up.
Three, two, one, go.
Así que.
FPS, otra. Esa va de 20. FPS otra.
Yo sé para ir a la banca. Está muy bien.
Farmos más. Farmos el otro somos.
Akkur er samt að vera að færa hana.
The Old One calls to you.
Svo að þeim sé ekki djöfnir sko. Til þess að takk í sig reyns við hílar hann.
Í vörlinni þá hlaupa allir til hægri megin við trónið, rauða megin.
Við erum ákvæmum minna þess að miklu hana, 32 og 10.
Það færist alltaf upp í vörðinu.
Já, auðvitað. Hvað var hann í það hann fór upp, sáðu það?
Það var í 20%.
Þessi við næst.
Skiptir ekki neinu, við kunnum vel á þess að adda.
Þetta er bótt með það.
Þurfa að
Þessi
slá.
fram.
Mind control næst.
The true horde will come to pass. I have seen it. It has shown me. I have seen mountains of skulls and rivers of blood. And I will have my world!
Þetta er bara klassið.
Mind control að dreima, 100 hana. Þarna liggur til vinstri eins. Þetta bara strax næstu.
Två.
Mind control næst. Veldu upp. Þessi hvernig finn. Stakk aftan, tósa.
You think you have won? You are blind! I will force your eyes open! Behold! My glorious destiny!
Sometimes you just feel tired, feel weak. And when you feel weak, you feel like you want to just give up. But you gotta search within you. Try to find that inner strength and just pull that shit out of you. And get that motivation to not give it and not be a quitter. No matter how bad you want to just fall flat on your face. Till I collapse, I'm spilling these raps long as you feel them. To the day that I drop, you'll never say that I'm not killing them. Cause when I am not, then I'ma stop pinning them. And I am not hip-hop, and I'm just not Eminem. Subliminal thoughts when I'ma stop sending them. Women are caught in webs, spin them in heart venom. Adrenaline shots, the penicillin could not get the illin to stop. Amoxicillin's just not real enough. The criminal cop killing hip-hop, filling a minimal swap to cop. Millions of pop listeners. You're coming with me, feel it or not.
Ég veit fyrir að fara að hreyfa ykkur í beinni línu.
Það er næsta maður sem fyrir að koma.
Það er Malice.
Wow. Sorry.
Music is like magic. There's a certain feeling you get when you reel and you spit, and people are
80.
feeling your shit. This is your moment, and every single minute you spend trying to hold on to it, 'cause you
91,
may never get it again.
93,
So while you're in it,
94,
try to get as much shit as you can, and when you're running
97,
just
98.
'cause I'm at the end of my wits with half the shit that gets in. I
Og
got
færi bossinn. Nei, Malis.
It goes from Regina, Jay-Z, Tupac, and Biggie.
Bara 3 inn í malis þegar það er að vera búið.
Chillið bara,
But in this industry, I'm the cause of a lot of envy. So when I'm put on this list, the shit that's
There is no place for you in my world.
people got a fucking problem with me. You hate it, but you know respect you got to give me. The presence wet dream like Bob and your Whitney. Nay, hit me.
Ég taka akkurat á þessu.
Healthstones Personals.
Soon as a verse starts, I eat it and MC's hard. What does he think?
Yes!
This world
I feel I ever need
is my
Vel gert.
destiny.
Já, flott stúlka, takk.
My
for me first.
destiny.